Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today's video is a photo compilation of the fabulous time that we had yesterday during our spring open garden. Sincerely, thank you to everyone who came for your support and your interest and your encouragement. It brings me a great deal of joy to share the garden with people live and in person. And it was just such a treat to meet so many people. And I really appreciate all of your positive feedback, and you've totally encouraged me to keep up this making a video for YouTube on a regular basis. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and yeah, hopefully you'll see yourselves in it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this fun little compilation video, and I am again so grateful to each and every one of you and for this awesome community that's been created here on YouTube. I truly appreciate your support and interest and encouragement, and I look forward to sharing more updates right here from my Zone 7 Central North Carolina garden. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.